Hey y'all, happy Taco Tuesday.
Tuesday?
Yes. Okay guys, let's try it. Let's see. Boy.
Her taco fell during the
I
pause.
dropped it. I didn't eat all day, guys, just so I could eat with you. There's melted cheese on here. I made my cheese sauce because I forgot my cheddar cheese. And ground beef, taco meat, tomatoes, lettuce, and salsa. Oh my god, it's so good.
This is how you go that you do dating it. If you like me, my own
Pepsi.
Water. I am starving, guys.
Yes, I'm dancing.
Tyler, remember you ate that plastic off the fruit roller?
I was just teasing. She only took a bite, a small one. The rest of the wrapper is peeled off. Stop, don't flip that. Right up her brother's butt. Oh my gosh. The cheese sauce though. I can only put it by the camera, guys, because everything is leaking. The one taco is actually really filling. But only because I've eaten all day, I'm going to see how much this other one I can eat. I know, I'm excited, guys, because the numbers on the scale aren't necessarily going down as fast as I like, but my clothes are fitting better. It's nice. Let's see if I can show you guys. Hubbub is still not home. Everything's ready for him to eat, so. I did my job. Still didn't finish folding laundry though.
You can't find me.
11 o'clock tonight. Probably about 10:30, 11 o'clock. I have a few emails I have to send out to people. I have a lot of my time. Because if I don't do that, I'll never get it done. I'm really full. Ooh. That's good, guys. That was definitely worth not eating all day. I can notice my stomach's getting smaller because I certainly can't eat as much as I used to. Honestly, I get a lot of credit to people who do these meal replacements for months at a time. To me, I feel like meal replacement should really just get you over that hump of shrinking your stomach down. You know? Oh, damn. Ooh. I am literally so full. It was delicious. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope everybody has had a blessed day and has a wonderful evening. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Until tomorrow, guys. If nobody tells you today they loved you, I love you. Keep your head high and have faith in yourself. Believe in yourself. Tell yourself you're wonderful and beautiful every day in the mirror and that you can do it. The sky's the limit. Good night, guys.